Today we will have a look Ionic error handling and how set up Sentry with Ionic. To do that, you need to go sentry.io and sign up, and then go and create project. Here you need to select mobile and select capacitor, and then type your project name and click create. Then you need to install Sentry packages running this command. I already installed it and I use these versions. Then you need to copy the SN data source name and add it on environment files, and here change it. So you need to add the Sentry release name. Later I will show why we need this, and I will show two ways to set up for the Angular. First, for standalone components that used for newest version, and not for standalone components. Now I'm showing for no standalone components. To do that, we need to go to main TS file and then add this code. And here you can add your domain name, and also for the release name you need to put environment release name here, and then go to app modules TS file and add this code. And last thing we need to do to finish our setup, we need to go for Angular JSON file and add this code, source map. We need this to see the source map issues for Sentry issues page. And now we can simulate error just going for our page and adding these lines. To simulate error, we are just simulating errors, these two errors, and go to HTML page and add this line. And for standalone components, to set up Sentry, you need to go to main TS file and add this code. First add import, then add this code and this one. The rest is same. Now what we need to do to install Sentry CLI running this command, and then we need to use Sentry CLI to log in it. And now we are ready to build our application for Android and for iOS. First I will show how to do for Android and how it is working for Android. To do that we need to run the command that we are running to build for Android. First we need to run this command. Then we need to run this command. Then run capacitor update for Android. And when we finish the running Ionic capacitor commands for Android, before opening it for Android Studio, we need to run this command. This command is for the source map. The release name should be the same as we put for environment file, and here we need to change for project name to put our project name and run command. And now we can run Android Studio to check how it is working. Now we can run it for the Android simulator. And just click buttons to simulate errors. First click for the first one and then for the second one. And now go to Sentry issues page. We need to see the issues. Sometimes it's taking some time. We need to wait and refresh the page. And now we will see issues. We can click opening the issue. And we are seeing it is for the Android device. And we will see the exact same place that we have the issue. And if we go back and open another issue, we will see another issue that we are simulated. And it is good that we see the exact lines that the issue error happening. Now we can run iOS and to see how it is working for iOS. It is working the same as for the Android. To do that, we need again to run commands for that we are building for the iOS. We need to run this command. Then run this command for copy iOS prod. And then run for update iOS. And the same as we did for the Android, we also need to run Sentry CLI command for the source map. And now we can open Xcode to check how it is working. Now we can run for the simulator to trigger the error. And what we need to do to just simulate error, just click these two buttons. First click and second click. And now we can go to Sentry IO page to check our issues. And we will see our errors. If we click the second one, we will see the exact the same as we see for Android. It is for the iOS. We see exact line when error happening. And now we can see another one. It is working the same as for the iOS. So we have a look how to set up Sentry with Ionic. Thank you. Have a good day.